In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to revert or restore your Shopify theme template files. Whether you're a seasoned shop owner or just starting, understanding how to navigate and modify your theme templates is crucial for maintaining the look and functionality of your online store. It's easy to make mistakes when editing files, but thankfully Shopify provides a way to revert those changes back to their original state. So let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify account and navigate to the home section of your store. This is where you'll see an overview of your store's activities and performance. Once you're there, look for the online store option in the left-hand menu. This is your hub for everything related to your store's appearance and structure on the web. After clicking on online store, you'll be redirected to the themes page. Here you'll notice three vertical dots typically located near the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on these dots will present you with additional options for managing your theme. Among these options, you'll find edit code. Select this, as it will take you to the code editor where you can see and modify the code that runs your theme. Inside the code editor, look for a file called Theme Liquid. This file controls the main layout of your store, and making changes here can significantly alter how your site appears to visitors. Once you've located theme.liquid, click on it to open the file. You'll now be viewing the code that you'll need to revert. You'll then notice a button labeled Current at the top of this section. Clicking on Current brings up a history of changes made to the file. This is a crucial step because you'll be able to see a list of previously saved versions of your theme file. This feature is incredibly useful when you need to backtrack your changes and restore a previous version of your code. Finally, select from the list of options presented to you. Choose the version you wish to revert to. It could be the last saved version, or one from a specific date when you know the layout was functioning perfectly. Once selected, confirm your choice and your theme will be restored to that previous state. That's it. You've now successfully reverted your Shopify theme template files. This process is handy and can save you from potential design disasters or coding errors. My advice is always to make a backup of your current code before making any major changes. This way you'll always have a fallback option. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for all your online store needs.